Welcome. Today I am with Soundcore Flare 2 and I'm gonna show you how you can open Sound Equalizer. So at first you have to open the Soundcore application. Next, select your device. And tap on the equalizer in the left bottom corner. As you can see in this list we got 4 presets. We can also enable or disable extra bass. When we tap right here, we can set up our own profile. And then we can just go back. And right now we select our custom EQ. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.